Hello there, sixth graders. It's Mr. Kerr, and welcome to week 9, where we wrap up Unit 2. And of course, as you know, Unit 2 is we looked at both types of governments and types of economics and economic networks throughout the Western Hemisphere. And so you are going to have actually kind of like 3 different finals, but we're gonna have a final exam. Unit 2 final. We're also going to have a final writing assessment and a final discussion board where you're going to come up with the questions. So it's not just you answering questions, it's you coming up with questions and answering questions. So that will be sure to go over, follow this schedule. I get a lot of questions from people about, well, should I do all of my social studies on Monday or Wednesday or Tuesday? Just follow the schedule here. Read through each day. Follow the schedule. It's the best thing I can tell you. And by Friday, you're all done. You have the weekend to yourself. But anyways, this will be the Unit 2 final. So going back all the way to week 1 through here in week 9. And this is a week for review. You should, as we open up week 9, look at this first discussion board. Part of it is going back and figuring out what did you learn, and not me asking. It's you coming up with what you learned and putting that in a discussion board, and also coming up with some questions that if you were the teacher, what questions would you be asking? And of course, as we talk about economic success, political change in the Western Hemisphere. So types of government, our economic networks, all of that. So going all the way back to week 1. As you go through the unit to review, focus on the vocab, focus on the quizzes and the questions asked in the quizzes. Look at the questions that you were asked on discussion boards. Those are the 3 things you should really focus on. Again, discussion boards, quizzes, and vocab. And you'll see that they all tie in together anyways. But those you should go through those 3 things for weeks 1 through 8 for your review, so that you can get into this discussion board about asking and answering questions. And then you have this economic writing assessment, which is you really need to go back to this financial literacy piece and look there. And then your government and economy unit final, this Unit 2 final will be there. All right, and so 1, 2, and 3. Little bit different on the quiz because, or the Unit 2 final here is that you're not going to have 3 times. So it'll be open the beginning of the week for you to go through all the questions. And then when I open it up later in the week, I'm only going to give you 1 more shot. So this is a final. This isn't just one of your weekly quizzes. This is the final, and everyone should get 100%. You'll know all of the questions, all of the information you need. Go back through all of this stuff here to find that. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and try and get done by Friday. You can have the weekend to yourself. Some of you have fallen behind. This is the time to get caught up. We're at the end of the unit. Get all caught up so you can get 100% on your end of unit assignments, and get ready to go nice and strong into Unit 3 then. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see some of you on Wednesday. Take care. Bye.